Alright guys, this morning we're back up at the spillway, but today's the first time I've fished this year since I turned the water off. The water's no longer running out of Caballo now. And what we're going to use today is this little soft plastic swim bait. It's a Bass Pro Speed Shad on a 16th ounce size jig head. First we're going to just try and throw it parallel to the bank here. See if we can't hook into one. We got him. Acting like a crappie. Yeah, it's a little baby crappie. Hit the speed shed. Little white crappie. Alright, he's going back. Maybe we'll get into some more crappie. They say when you find one, you find a bunch of them. Got him. Maybe another crappie. Yeah, a little bigger one this time. It's been a while since I caught some crappie. He's a keeper, but we're not keeping today. I don't like to keep out of these holes in the winter time, just because I don't know how many fish are actually in here that get trapped in these holes. Alright, he's going back. Got another one. Looks like another crappie. Yep. Pretty nice crappie. Whoa, he's barely hooked. I shouldn't have boat flipped him like that. Look how he's hooked. These are good eating size though, I'll tell you that. Dang, my mom loves crappie too. She loves them more than walleye. She would love for me to bring them home. Alright, he's going back too. Everyone we catch is going back. If we're gonna keep catching crappie, we're gonna go to our ultralight. We have a little underspin on it with the Z-Man shad fry. This time in white though, instead of that electric chicken color. Got him. Oh, now that it's on the ultralight, he feels pretty good. It's a nice crappie. Boat flip. Oh, this is the biggest crappie of the day, too. No. It's a nice crappie. He's probably like a 13, 14 incher. And he's still thick. Because sometimes in the winter time, they get kind of thin in here. Boop. Alright guys, that was on the little underspin on the ultralight rod. He felt really good on that. Got another one. Another good one. Look, the hook just came right out. This one's really thick. Alright, going back. Alright guys, I caught a decent amount of crappie, but they just completely shed off. So I think me and my friend Christian are going to go to another spot. But it was still fun catching those crappie, especially the two I caught on the ultralight. The very first one was pretty small, but the other 5 were really good. So it was a pretty fun day here. But yeah, we're going to continue fishing just at a different spot. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.